At IPA, I played varsity basketball for 3 years, and out of those 3 years I learned different things about discipline, perseverance and such. Even if the competition level isn't as the same as all the big schools, I still learned the values and hardships and stuff and overcoming challenges through playing basketball for those 3 years. For my senior year, I was voted Player of the Year out of the whole division, but that was really like a reflection of all the hard work I put in, and I feel like I was deserving of it, and it was a proud moment playing on the team. At IPA, my favorite class was AP Biology. It was always really engaging. I would learn something new every class, and the tests were fair structured and challenging. I learned that the amount of work you put in will affect the results that come out. The more I studied for a test, the more I got my work done on time with quality effort, then the higher my test scores went and the higher my grades always went. Receiving financial aid helped me to really make myself more focused, as whenever my grades were slipping or something, I would always think about the fact that people are trusting in me to help the school out, and so I was able to maintain a 4.0 all 4 years of high school. And in athletics and stuff, I wanted to participate as much as I could to help the school and help to build the school's reputation, as I was one of the few selected to receive financial aid. I appreciate all the people who have trusted in us and donated money, as it helped me succeed in high school, and as I will continue to succeed and try my best in college. I do like the small student-to-teacher ratio, as I feel like the teachers and the students can bond more, and if a student needs help, he or she doesn't feel helpless to not ask the teacher for help. When there's more students, the teacher is going to be more busy. My favorite memory definitely has to be the Kinder Buddy experience and going places with them and just bonding with them. I feel like whenever we have like the Kinder Buddy situation and stuff, I can instill in them to be better people even at a younger age and have them develop good habits. After I graduate high school, I'll still carry the values I learned here, such as perseverance, human kindness, and just doing things that are right. And in society, I'll be able to help others at all times, constantly do my work with good effort. My name is Taiga Sugitaya. After high school, I will be attending UH Mānoa to major in microbiology.